Lincoln.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So one of Ellie Dumpling's little boys, born here from a mum who was rescued off of our village streets heavily pregnant, and about a week or 10 days later she gave birth to these beautiful pups, right?
Absolutely.
And they are ready and will be ready for homes in... Oh, there's enough noise going on here. Yes, it's dinner time. What are you burying your head for?
I don't like being with that thing.
I don't like being buried with that.
I
That
like
rectangular thing. Come on,
What are you
Lincoln.
doing?
What are you doing?
Hey, Lincoln.
So, coming up for 3 months.
Yes.
So they're going to be small.
Small, yes.
That's the prediction. Mum was small. We've got photographs
Yes.
of her. And they can be travelling mid-September. Look at that fatty belly, Lincoln.
Yeah, they've all got it.
Right, let's take some photos.